Oh man, C.O.T. We back. We in the building. Let's go. Shit. Yo, so as y'all can see, right, I'm in my baby. Today, like it happened probably like a couple of weeks ago. I'm actually probably a little longer than that. When I had got my exhaust done, I started hearing a tick. So I never had it with just a stock exhaust. I never heard it. I didn't have it, but when I got that done, I started hearing a tick. So, you know, I haven't driven the car in a while. You know, I put it up, want to do different things, but so now that it's, you know, starting to get early, closer to summer and stuff, I got to get stuff done to it. So one of the things I'm about to do is I'm about to go get the. I'm actually taking it to see what that ticking noise is, if it's an exhaust leak or something inside of it. I did a lot of looking up, and this is a problem that the Hemi have. It's called the Hemi tick. So I mean, I'm going to get rid of it. It's either I have to, if it's exhaust leaks, I gotta fix it that way, and if not, then it's probably something with the manual fault or the cam or something like that. So who knows? I mean, if it's, I'm hoping that it's exhaust leak, it's cheaper to fix and it ain't so bad, you know, not a lot of work I have to be done. So I'll get that done. But if it's the other way, then depending how it is, I was going to change the manual fold and cam anyway, so it probably just speed it up a little earlier anyway. But so yeah, that's what we gonna do. We about to go do that. I gotta go get this done, and you know, we got a lot of things coming, you know. But before we do that, you know, make sure y'all subscribe, man. I'm telling you, man, there's Hemi C.O.T, this C.O.T channel. We about to do it big, man. We got a lot of different things, man. A lot of fast toys, man. So we gonna play on everything. Plus my car, you know, different things we gonna be doing to it. The dirt bike, the motorcycle. I got all those. So we gonna be having fun this summer. So make sure y'all subscribe, you know, hit that button and stuff and do what it do. So, you know, but yeah, we gonna get it. We gonna go get that done. I gotta, hopefully, you know, like I said, something simple, and then we'll finish that off and see. You probably can hear it. Let me see. We can start leaving now. Let me see. Put this seatbelt on right here. So, just shit. The car, it might slide. We going. Shit, I had that on the whole time. I don't know if you can hear it now. Let me see, because I let the car warm up. It's been warmed up for a while. I don't want to pull off too fast and shit, we got the sun. Let me see. Oh, my bad. It's all up in my face, huh? Let's see if you can hear it. So, if that's it right there, I don't know if you guys heard it, but it's like you can hear it now. It's that ticking noise right there. That crap is driving me crazy ever since I heard it. So my wife was the first one to hear it. So then I heard it and stuff. So we definitely gonna get that fixed. No matter what, that's getting done. Like I said, so hopefully, I'm like I said, I just hope it's the cam. I mean, it's an exhaust leak, and I'm about to bring it to a shop now, and I'm hoping is my bad. I'm trying to fix something right now. Something falling off, and they don't want to stay, and it's pissing me off. Yeah, so I'm hoping it's just that piece right there. It's dark in here. Yeah, so I'm hoping it's just that piece, and I mean just exhaust leak, and I'm gonna get that done. So that's a little bit what it sounds like. So let me get over here, and then we'll get back at it when I get on the highway. Alright, we back. I'm back on the, so I told y'all we get on the highway. Let's see if we can have some fun. See if we can catch a car, son. So you know, ain't nothing really going on. Look, these cars going slow for no reason. No reason. Let's see. I'm telling you. The power that exhaust puts on here. The power that exhaust put on here, the extra exhaust puts on this car. Man, with the exhaust and the cold air intake, I'm telling you, man, this car is crazy. And I'm not even done because I want to add a couple of more things, but just that alone is enough power. I just got up there fast. It didn't even feel like I was doing that either. That's crazy. But yeah, it ain't really no cars on here. You can see, you know, it ain't really, not really. No cars we can mess with. We don't got no. Oh, look, see, this is the things right here. People drive crazy like that, man. I tell you. Let's see. It ain't really nothing we can play around with too much. Don't come over. Ooh. I love hearing that exhaust on here, boy. Oh, is that a car? Oh, okay. Yes, it is. Yeah. I know one of the things I gotta get that GoPro, and so I can put that on the inside and have that. Yeah, so I ain't gonna even bore y'all too much with that because it ain't really nothing on here. But yeah, like I said, I'm about to go get the we about to take the car to a shop so we can see if it's exhaust leak. Hopefully, you know, I hope that's what it is. I'll get it done right then and there. Like I said, if it's not, and if it's the other things where I gotta just swap out the manual flow and do all that, I was gonna do that anyways. I just might have to do it a little earlier. I know it's crazy, you can't really see me because the sun and stuff. But yeah, so that might be, that's what we about to go do right now. So yeah, I'm not gonna bore you guys too long, man, but make sure y'all subscribe, hit that button. And like I said, we gonna have fun this summer, so it's gonna be good. So get in tune. C.O.T. You already know we out, man. Oh shit. All right, C.O.T. We back. Yeah. So all right, just to finish it off, man. So I just dropped the car off. Right now I'm in my wife's Jeep. She came and got me. I had to bring her to work real fast, drop off, but. Damn, I need a haircut. Yeah, so when I dropped it off, talking to the guy, you know, he said he listened to his, like, he think it's exhaust leak. So like I said, man, I'm hoping that is that. You know, he called me back. Once he tell me, you know, I'm pray for me, y'all. I'm hoping that is that, because if it's that, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be like, man, listen, fix it right now. Right now. So, and then he told me when I'm ready to put the rest of it on, the finish it off with the exhaust and all that. Because I didn't do it because of that noise. I don't want to put the rest of it on yet. But if it's what he said, and then I'm going to have him do that, and I'll just bring and drop the rest of it off and have him put it on. So, hopefully, C.O.T, yo, you know what I'm saying? We get it right, and this is the only problem. Because then... Boy, I'm telling you, next stop is gonna be the interior probably, and I'm deciding on how I want to do what I want to do. Like if I want to wrap it, I might just do like the hood, the top, and the trunk, and like a different, just a little wrap. I got a couple of things I seen or I like. So, but for now, man, we out. We going head to the house, wait for them to call and I'll get back at y'all, you know. Again, make sure y'all hit that button. Make sure y'all subscribe. I'm driving right now, so that's why it's hard for me to keep looking. But, you know, subscribe to your boy. Get this C.O.T family going, man. We about to go up. I'm telling you, it's going to be fun. Make sure you start early with us. All right, though, man. We out.